Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. Today we're going to be talking about Iman Cosmetics, and I don't know about you, but I'm a huge fan of Iman. I love her. I love her makeup. I really admire her. She is a businesswoman. She's a supermodel, and I mean, she's just incredible. She is so beautiful. She is my icon. I really love her. Iman Cosmetics, thank you very much, Linda in particular, for sending me this package today, and I'm going to be unboxing in front of you. So let's see what we have. So this is the Spring 2018 collection that we have here. Exciting! Look at all those lovely goodies. We've got a couple of foundations, several lipsticks, and some lovely looking highlighters. Actually, I think I'm going to be doing a giveaway. This is a very generous amount of product that I have here. I will be doing a giveaway, so be sure to stay till the end of the video. So this is the look that we're creating. We're going to go back now to the beginning, and you're going to see how I've achieved this look. So you can see I've already done my eyes. This is not part of the current collection, but I want to show you actually. I don't know if you're interested. This is an Iman eyeshadow I've got. I mean, look at it. I just love it. It's fallen on the ground a couple of times, but I refuse to throw it in the bin because I love it. It is so highly pigmented, I can't tell you. And these are old. These are like, I think over 10 years old, maybe even 15. Look at them. Look, they weren't like that when I bought them. You'd be pleased to know. I've dropped them, and I just refuse to throw them away because you know what? Look, they blend so beautifully. They're lovely and soft. They're highly pigmented. I'm not throwing them. Absolutely no way. And I've also used on my eyes, this is like a bronzer palette. I love her trio bronzers she's got. I've used some of these colours here on my eyes as well, just to complete the look. So my eye makeup's done, and I'm going to put some foundation on now. Iman Cosmetics have sent me 2 of these foundations. They do appear slightly light, but I've been told that they're a little bit darker when they come out, so let's have a look. Actually, that's true. Look at that. Can you see that? So that is a Sand 4. And let's just see how that goes on. Let's grab my mirror. Wow. That is very covering. Now this is a concealer and foundation in one. So it should provide me with full coverage. Let's just see. I'm going to use the lighter foundation under the eye, just for a little bit of extra lift in that area. This is very nicely covering. You know what, if you've got any kind of scarring, you can always go in with another layer. It doesn't dry matte. It's really nice, and I have some pigmentation around this area, and it's covered it. It's pretty impressive. The price point is £16.50, which I think is actually very reasonable. If you want to get a similar foundation of other premium brands, they're sort of £39 or thereabouts. So I think it's actually pretty reasonably priced. So I'm just going in with my beauty blender. It's really nice. It gives you that sort of dewy, flawless finish without being shimmery, you know? I like it very much. Now, just out of interest, I am going to try the shade Down. Sorry, one thing to point out, let's just go backwards. If you are buying the foundation in line, just bear in mind the colour that you see is not really representative of the colour that comes out. It is at least one shade darker. So this shade, which appears, you know, much too pale for my skin, this is Sand 3. I'm going to use it under my eyes. I could use the Sand 4, which I've just used, but just out of interest, I'm going to use the Sand 3 now. So that's the Sand 4, and that's the Sand 3, and I'm going to use the lighter one under my eyes. Just going to use my ring finger. Yeah, I like that. Way too much there. I would say a pump is probably sufficient to cover your whole face. And as I said, you can build it up by putting on another layer. It's easy to work with. So I'm going to put some cheek colour on now. I don't know whether to go with my 20-year-old strawberry blush, which I really love, or shall I go? Maybe I should go with this. It's a bit newer. I think I'm going to go with that one today. And I'm just going to take the sort of lower two shades. Very, very pigmented again. Don't sweep your brush and go straight onto your cheek. You're going to get a blob of colour. Shake off the excess. Just smile and place that in the apples of your cheeks. Beautiful. Really nice. Very fine colour. Really lovely. I really love that. And as I said, it is a bronzer. I love that, look. Really pretty. So I've got these three gorgeous, gorgeous highlighters. This is probably a little bit dark for my skin tone, but you know what? There's no reason why you couldn't use that. Just, you know, with your ring finger, a little bit on your lips, a little bit as a cheek colour, a little bit as an eyeshadow, you know, one of those all-purpose products. And you've got a lovely gold highlighter there. Again, you know what? On your brow bone, in the centre of your lips, on your cheekbone. You know, you can use these for sculpting your face as well, for highlighting. I think I'm going to go for Glamour Girl. And I'm just going to pop that down the bridge of my nose. I've got 5 gorgeous, gorgeous shades to choose from for my lips. I can't decide which one. So I'm going to go with 2. I'm going to go with Fate and Outlaw. Which of these 2? I'm going to put the darker shade on my lips first and then sort of fill in with the lighter shade. Okay. So these are $12.95 and they are supposed to have a matte finish, but they've got loads of goodies in them, jojoba oil and vitamins to nourish the lips. So let's have a look how they are. Again, you know what? They're so highly pigmented. Really highly pigmented. I've been lazy here. I can't be bothered to use a lip liner today. This is Outlaw. It's lovely. It's very, very highly pigmented. It feels nice. It's not sort of matte as, I mean, normally you think of matte as in quite a sort of drying lipstick. I will let you know how this wears. It's supposed to last all day. It feels very, very comfortable on my lips. I'm medium dark, so this could be a nude on a very sort of dark skin. You know, some people with darker skin, they've got a lot of pigment naturally on their lips. You know, you need to find the shade that's right for you. I mean, it's all very well buying a lipstick online. I mean, you get some idea from the swatching, but really, you know, it's worth taking a trip down to the store to have a look. I could leave the look if I wanted to, as it is, but in this case, I want to go in with this gorgeous colour here, which is Fate. So I'm just going to pop that in the centre. I love this colour. $12.95 the lipsticks. I think that's a pretty good price point, to be honest, for a high-end luxury lipstick. So now I've completed the look, I'm just going to go in with my Glamour Girl highlighter stick and use my ring finger and just pop that into this onto the centre of my lips, just to give that nice sort of pouty effect. There you have it, just a little bit, just like that. Perfect. Finally, I'm going to go in with a nice big brush. I'm just going to sweep that lovely bronzer all over my face just to bring the look all nicely together. Take a nice big brush, shake off the excess, which is quite a lot of colour there. I'm just going to sort of swoop it. Just adds a bit of warmth and helps to bring everything together. And there you have it. there is my completed look. So Iman Cosmetics has been going since, I believe, about 1994 or thereabouts. They are worldwide. They started off in the US, but they are worldwide now. And in the UK, you can buy them online and in certain department stores. If you want a list of the retailers, just go online and they list them quite clearly on the site. I just love Iman. I think she's stunning. She's so beautiful. She is an icon for me. And I love the fact that she has been a pioneer in creating a range of makeup products for dark coloured skin, because let's face it, the world, as she says, is not black or white. There are so many shades in between. I know a lot of the brands today are kind of jumping on the bandwagon, but it is thanks to Iman, I'd like to say. There are some nice quality products out there, but you know what? This is fantastic, and the price point is incredible. I'm so impressed. There are some high-end brands, super high-end brand. They're charging in the region of £40 or thereabouts, and they are wonderful. But you know, Iman's got them for less than half the price, and the coverage, I promise you, is even better. This is a concealer and it's a foundation all in one, and it's given me full coverage in just one application. So I think that's fabulous. I was reading an interview just the other day, and she says when she, you know, back in her heyday, when she was a supermodel, she used to have to mix her own foundations and give them to the makeup artist to apply to her, which seems absolutely ludicrous. I can't believe that she had to do that. So, you know, well done for creating your own brand, and you certainly had enough inspiration there to do something fantastic. And the products really are fantastic. I mean, you can see they've just gone on so beautifully, and that foundation is second to none. Honestly, it is out of this world, especially around this area. You know, this is just one layer of foundation, and I have pigmentation here, and the other products, the high-end ones, which I've tried, they're lovely. They give my skin a beautiful glowy finish, but they are £40 and they don't give me full coverage here. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. I know I certainly did. I loved unboxing this. It's so nice to get a box and to unravel everything, all the papers and stuff. It's so nice. Thank you so much, Linda, for sending that to me. Anyway, if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments box below. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. That really helps me. If you enjoyed the video, please leave me a thumbs up. You know that really helps me. And otherwise, I will see you in my next video.